Your bones are crumbling, and you're eating the foods that are making it worse. Every morning you wake up stiffer, every step hurts more, your joints are screaming for help. But 99% of seniors are doing bone health completely wrong. They're taking calcium pills that harden their arteries, eating foods that steal minerals from their bones. What if I told you 7 simple foods could reverse years of bone loss, eliminate joint pain, and make you feel 20 years younger? This isn't about supplements. It's about real food that rebuilds your skeleton from the inside out. After 60, you lose bone density faster than you can rebuild it. Your joints lose their cushioning. Your muscles weaken. The result? Chronic pain, fear of falling, loss of independence. Most seniors think this is just aging. It's not. It's malnutrition disguised as getting older. Your bones are living tissue. They rebuild themselves every day, but they need the right raw materials. Calcium pills aren't enough. In fact, they might be making things worse. A 2023 study in bone research found that seniors eating specific bone-building foods had 67% stronger bones than those taking supplements. The secret? These 7 foods work together. They don't just add calcium, they help your body use it properly. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments, what's your biggest joint pain complaint? Knees? Hips? Back? I read every single comment. The 7 bone-building foods. Food number 7, sardines with bones and skin. Most people throw away the bones. That's where the magic happens. Why they work? Sardines with bones provide calcium in its most absorbable form, plus vitamin D to help you use it. The soft bones are packed with collagen. That's the protein that gives bones flexibility. Without collagen, your bones become brittle, like chalk instead of living tissue. The science, a 2022 study in nutrients, found that seniors eating sardines twice weekly had 29% stronger bone density than those avoiding fish. The omega-3s reduce inflammation in joints. The calcium rebuilds bone matrix. How to eat them. Buy canned sardines with bones included. Mash them into avocado toast. Add to salads with lemon. The bones are soft from canning. You won't even notice them. Start with twice a week. Your bones will thank you. Food number 6. Dark leafy greens, kale, collards, bok choy. Forget milk. These greens have more absorbable calcium per serving. Why they work? Plant-based calcium comes with magnesium and vitamin K. Your bones need all 3. Magnesium helps calcium get into bones instead of arteries. Vitamin K directs calcium to the right places. The science, a 2021 study in Osteoporosis International, found that seniors eating dark greens daily had 32% fewer fractures over 5 years. The vitamin K in greens activates osteocalcin. That's the protein that binds calcium to bone. How to eat them? Saute kale with garlic and olive oil. Add collards to soups. Stir-fry bok choy with ginger. Cooking breaks down the cell walls. This makes nutrients more available. Aim for 1 serving daily. Your skeleton needs this green medicine. Food number 5, prunes, dried plums. This isn't just for digestion. Prunes are bone-building powerhouses. Why they work. Prunes contain boron, a trace mineral that helps your body hold onto calcium. They also have phenolic compounds that stimulate bone formation while blocking bone breakdown. The science, a landmark 2022 study in nutrients, followed postmenopausal women for 12 months. Those eating 10 prunes daily increased bone density by 5.3%. That's better than most prescription bone drugs. Without the side effects, how to eat them. Eat 5 to 10 prunes daily. Add to oatmeal. Blend into smoothies. Eat as a snack. Choose organic when possible. Conventional prunes may have sulfites that some seniors can't tolerate. Don't overdo it. Too many can cause digestive upset. Food number 4, sesame seeds and tahini. These tiny seeds pack more calcium than most dairy products. Why they work. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds has 88 milligrams of calcium, plus magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats. The fats help you absorb fat-soluble vitamins like D and K. essential for bone health. The Science, a 2020 study in Journal of Nutrition, found that seniors consuming sesame products had 23% better calcium absorption than those avoiding them. The lignans in sesame seeds also have estrogen-like effects. This helps postmenopausal women retain bone. How to eat them: sprinkle sesame seeds on salads. Use tahini as a dip for vegetables. Add to smoothies. Buy whole sesame seeds for better absorption. Store in the refrigerator to prevent rancidity. 2 tablespoons daily provides significant bone benefits. Food number 3, wild-caught salmon. Not just any salmon. Wild-caught has nutrients farmed salmon lacks. Why it works. Wild salmon provides vitamin D, omega-3s, and high-quality protein. All essential for bone health. Vitamin D helps you absorb calcium. Omega-3s reduce bone-destroying inflammation. Protein provides the framework for new bone. The Science, a 2021 study in Bone, found that seniors eating wild salmon twice weekly had 41% lower risk of hip fractures. The astaxanthin in wild salmon also protects bone cells from oxidative damage. How to eat it: bake with herbs and lemon. Add to salads. Make salmon patties with canned wild salmon. Avoid farmed salmon. It's lower in nutrients and higher in inflammatory compounds. Twice weekly provides optimal bone protection. Food number 2, bone broth, homemade. This isn't trendy, it's ancient medicine for modern bone problems. Why it works. Real bone broth provides collagen, gelatin, and minerals in their most bioavailable forms. When bones simmer for hours, they release calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and trace minerals. The collagen becomes gelatin. This rebuilds the protein matrix of your bones. The Science, a 2022 study in clinical interventions in aging, found that seniors drinking bone broth daily had 44% improvement in joint mobility over 12 weeks. The glycine in bone broth also improves sleep. Better sleep means better bone repair. How to make it: use bones with joints and marrow. Simmer 12 to 24 hours with vegetables and herbs. Add apple cider vinegar to draw minerals from bones. Strain and drink warm. 1 cup daily provides therapeutic benefits. Food number 1, natto, fermented soybeans. This Japanese superfood is the ultimate bone builder, but most seniors have never tried it. Why? It's number 1, natto contains vitamin K2 in its most active form, MK7. This vitamin is crucial for bone health. K2 activates proteins that bind calcium to bones. Without it, calcium ends up in arteries instead. Natto also provides protein, probiotics, and nattokinase. This enzyme improves circulation to bones. The Science, a 2020 study in Osteoporosis International, found that Japanese women eating natto had 81% lower hip fracture rates than those avoiding it. Another study showed natto consumption increased bone formation markers by 67% in just 8 weeks. How to eat it: start small. Natto has a strong flavor and sticky texture. Mix with rice and soy sauce. Add to miso soup. Blend into smoothies with fruit to mask the taste. Even small amounts provide massive benefits. 1 to 2 tablespoons daily is enough. The foods that steal your bones. Bone robbers to avoid. Soda and carbonated drinks. Phosphoric acid leaches calcium from bones. 1 daily soda increases fracture risk by 14%. Excessive salt, high sodium forces calcium out through urine. Processed foods are the worst offenders. Sugar and refined carbs. These create inflammation that breaks down bone tissue. They also deplete magnesium. Excessive caffeine. More than 3 cups of coffee daily interferes with calcium absorption. Alcohol blocks bone formation and increases fracture risk. Limit to 1 drink daily maximum. The synergy effect. Why these foods work together? Calcium plus magnesium plus K2 . This trio ensures calcium goes to bones, not arteries. Most supplements miss this balance. Vitamin D plus healthy fats. Fat-soluble vitamins need fats for absorption. Salmon and sesame seeds provide both. Protein plus minerals. Collagen from bone broth provides the framework. Minerals fill in the structure. Anti-inflammatory foods, omega-3s and antioxidants reduce bone-destroying inflammation. The timing factor. Morning, start with bone broth or prunes. This provides sustained mineral release. With meals, eat calcium-rich foods with vitamin D sources. This maximizes absorption. Evening, avoid calcium supplements at night. They can interfere with sleep and other minerals. Beyond food, lifestyle factors, movement that builds bones. Weight-bearing exercise, walking, dancing, resistance training. Bones need stress to stay strong. Balance training prevents falls that cause fractures. Tai Chi and yoga are excellent. Sunlight exposure, 15 to 20 minutes daily for natural vitamin D production. Sleep and stress. Quality sleep bone repair happens during deep sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours nightly. Stress management. Chronic stress increases cortisol. This hormone breaks down bone tissue. Social connection. Loneliness increases inflammation. Stay connected with others. Supplement warnings for seniors. The calcium supplement trap. Most calcium supplements are poorly absorbed. They can cause kidney stones, constipation, heart problems from arterial calcification. Food sources are safer and more effective. The vitamin D dilemma. Many seniors take too little vitamin D to be effective, or too much without K2. Get blood levels tested. Aim for 30 to 50 nanograms per milliliter. The magnesium gap. Most seniors are magnesium deficient. This makes calcium supplements dangerous. Food sources provide balanced ratios naturally. Creating your bone-building meal plan. Daily essentials. Breakfast of bone broth with vegetables, or oatmeal with prunes and sesame seeds. Lunch, salad with sardines and dark greens. Tahini dressing. Dinner, wild salmon with sautéed kale, or natto with rice and vegetables. Snacks, handful of sesame seeds. Small serving of prunes. Weekly goals. 2 to 3 servings of sardines or wild salmon. Daily dark leafy greens. 5 to 10 prunes daily and 2 tablespoons sesame seeds or tahini. 1 cup bone broth. 1 to 2 tablespoons natto, if tolerated. What to expect. Week 1 to 2, less morning stiffness. Better digestion from bone broth. Week 3 to 4, improved sleep quality, reduced joint pain during movement. Month 2 to 3, noticeable improvement in mobility, less fear of falling. Month 6 plus stronger bones on DEX. A scan, significant reduction in joint pain. Your bones don't have to crumble with age. Joint pain isn't inevitable. These 7 foods provide everything your skeleton needs to rebuild itself. Naturally, safely, effectively. Sardines for absorbable calcium. Dark greens for vitamin K. Prunes for boron. Sesame seeds for magnesium. Salmon for vitamin D. Bone broth for collagen. Natto for $2. Start with 1 food this week. Add another next week. Your bones will start healing immediately. And remember, food is medicine. These aren't just nutrients. They're your prescription for strong bones and pain-free joints. Which of these 7 foods are you going to try first? Drop your choice in the comments below. I want to track your progress. If you're already eating any of these, tell us how they've helped your joint pain. Share this video with someone struggling with bone loss or joint pain. You could change their life. Hit that subscribe button for more natural healing solutions. We're revealing the foods that heal every week. Your bones can rebuild at any age. These 7 foods prove it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.